What's up, YouTube? Welcome to DIY Outdoors. Thanks for tuning in and watching. We got Cameron here. You say hi.
Hi.
And we're going to do a little video on a DIY elk antler shift knob. Okay. I made this on my 98 Tacoma. Right here. And I was going to show what I did. I took the stock shift knob, which is going to look like a little rubber shifter. Inside of that is a piece of plastic underneath that leather. And so I cut that out. As you can see right here. Sorry. I cut that out and I used that. Okay. As you can see, cut it. I sanded it, little thumb knob here. Then I sanded the top where it was rough on the pedicle. And anyways, I drilled that out big enough as after I shaved down the plastic, when I unscrewed it. I cut the leather off, I shaved down the plastic, and then I drilled a hole big enough to fit that plastic piece in there. And I use Gorilla Glue because you don't need that much. And come on, buddy. Hey, we're going this way. And I Gorilla Glued it in there. There is a nut package that you could buy if you want to go that route. But this is just what I had and what I had laying around, so it made it super easy. Here's my 2018 bull I just got to show you. Sorry. Come around here. Basically cut right here on the main beam, and then I cut the first eye guard here, which gave me that little knob. Actually, I hold it like this. Works as a good handle for my thumb. Anyways, I cut that, and I sanded it off. And I used it, I got it off a shed. So that's why I had that awesome pedicle look. Again, I just took the leather off of the stock shift knob, and I had the plastic, and I just drilled the hole out big enough for that to fit in there with a little bit of Gorilla Glue. You don't need that much. And glued it right in, sanded it down. It could use some stain. You can put stain on here, gloss it up. Lasts a lot longer, so it's not sitting in your truck getting hit by the sun all day, and it'll fade out, get all chalked up on you. Anyways, that's what I did to do a little do-it-yourself elk knob shifter. And yeah, I hope that works. Also look online. You can buy a bolt package or a nut package to fit your specific vehicle too. If you don't have, the plastic under the leather deal. So I just used this. It was simple. I made it in about 15 minutes and it's solid. I get a lot of compliments on it, asking, "Oh, where'd you get your shift knob?" And I tell them I bought it myself. But yep, it's pretty simple. I guess comment in the link if you got any questions. And yeah, good luck on your project. Thank you for watching. You say bye?
Bye.
Thank you for watching.